Is now the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, December 7, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock has shown a gain of 6.85%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.31% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock has recently broken its strong upward trend and is now indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $192.28, which may present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $209.07, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.77% change in the next 3 months, with a return ranging from 0.0598% to 9.63%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 32.52% change over the next year, with a potential return between 18.03% and 47.16%. This implies a price range of $229.31 to $285.88 after 1 year. Our latest update for Apple reveals some promising news. On Thursday, the Apple stock gained 1.01%, marking a positive day for investors. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $193.59 and a high of $195, with an overall increase of 0.73%. The price has been experiencing some ups and downs recently, but there has been a 1.55% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased, indicating a positive trend. In total, 44 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.60 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, the highest price of Apple stock in the past 52 weeks was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 1.99% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $3.95. Furthermore, it is 14.89% below the all-time high reached on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. The Apple stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of price corrections, there is support from the lines at $191.43 and $183.03. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 16.41% rise so far. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. The pivots indicator indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about some important aspects of Apple's stock: support, risk, and stop loss. When it comes to support levels, there are 2 key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $176.30. If the stock breaks this level, it may continue to fall towards the next support level. In this case, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $175.01 and $174.21. It's worth noting that Apple tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, the stock's daily volatility is quite manageable. Yesterday, it had a price range of $1.41 between its high and low, which represents a 0.728% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.38%. Before we get into discussing the potential trading levels for Apple, it's important to review some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and stable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share during this period stand at $2.08. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll explore potential day trading levels for Apple. When it comes to upward movement, Apple doesn't face any significant resistance from accumulated volume. This means that under favorable conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward surge. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, Apple's first support level is at $176.30. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound from there. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -23.034. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $187, which represents a decrease of 3.74%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 29 days ago. Is Apple stock a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that Apple stock is showing signs of strength. The stock has recently broken its rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the short term. However, we must exercise caution as there is a possibility of a false trend break. Furthermore, after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, December 8th, we anticipate that Apple stock will open with a slight increase of $0.0167 and begin trading at $194.29. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we analyze the current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What do you think the target for this stock should be? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.